Just tell us what we're going to do today.
We're going to put in, not change because there isn't one, an air cabin filter for two
air cabin filter. This is the first time for us to do that. And normally people say replace. Yes, we'll try to replace. Where it is?
I don't know. You tell me.
It's here. We watched the video. It's here.
You watched it. I didn't.
We just open this and we can see the place.
Do it.
Okay, good. We bought this filter. Okay, it's two actually.
It takes two or one?
Two.
It does take two. It's not an extra.
So it should be like something like this.
Show us here, close this way.
And just push in like this.
Okay.
Oh, it has a instruction. You can take a look. It's like how much cost?
I don't know. I forget.
$10-20 something.
Not even. Maybe 10. Okay. It says you need a Phillips head screwdriver and a standard screwdriver.
Yeah.
And behind the glove compartment, behind an access door on the passenger side of the vehicle.
Yeah, this one.
Oh.
Just
interesting.
No. Have many in Norway. Okay.
In the void where the glove box was, you should see a metal clip.
Okay. Here. Yeah.
I'll be in the light if I come over.
So the thing is that can you see? It is here. Okay. We put a 1, 2 in. But the question is
using a standard screwdriver, remove the clip.
Which one? No, it's out already. It's nothing
Figure 3. Yeah, I know. Okay, so 3 and 4 show you. Dear, pictures 3 and 4. The last 2 pictures show you where it goes.
Yeah. So my question is, should it go this way or should it go this way? Oh, it's the same thing. It doesn't matter.
I don't know.
Yeah, it is. See, if I go this way on the top. You go this way on the top. So it's always this on this side. So this is the correct way.
Okay. Not until the top filter is installed and locked properly into position will the second filter be able to be installed.
Oh, okay. First the top one.
Yep, and lock it.
Lock
and then
it.
You can do the bottom.
Okay. Here we go.
All right.
Okay. By a little bit of force. Okay, now we have to put this thing in.
Excellent.
But what is this thing for? I don't know.
I don't know.
Forget it. Now we just put it back. We don't need to actually. It does not affect the driving.
What?
We can leave the car like this.
Ew. Where are you going to put your registration?
Oh.
Yeah,
yes.
and your insurance card.
Okay. Okay. As you say, we put it back. I just don't know how much torque I should put in.
It doesn't matter with this.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay. We did it.
Well done.
Again.
Well, let's see if the truck runs now.
Yeah. Okay.
Maybe you just broke it. Who knows?
Thanks. Okay. If you just watch some videos, for the simple things we can do ourselves. Yes. Yeah.